Okay guys, welcome to this week's assembly. Yeah! So next week we're gonna have Spirit Week, which is super exciting. So you guys have been voting for the themes all week. So it's next week, there's gonna be opportunities to win Spirit Points every single day, and this could change the Spirit Point competition winner. So we're going to go through the themes that you guys all voted for.
So Sunday is Sleepy Sunday, coming your free days.
And there'll be a game every day during lunch, so look out for that. Monday is Meet the Monday.
Sports Team Tuesday, and we'll have a game every single day that corresponds with the theme. So just look out for that.
Are you Team Wakanda or Team Trinidad? After that is Around the World.
It's actually Team Laughlin and Team Griffin now. Yeah.
I was not aware of that. So on Wednesday's World Wednesday, so come in your international clothes. And then for Thursday, Twin Thursday. So that's Spirit Week, guys. It's going to be next week. Make sure you're all uniform appropriate. So it's all throughout the week. Contact your class reps if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.
And now we're going to have a new host for this assembly, our Mr. ASD, the one and only, Armand Kabadia.
What's up guys, I'm Armand. I'm going to be hosting your assembly today, so we can be hyped. Okay, so to start off, let's have our group Acacia come on and tell you about their amazing idea. Wait, sorry, that's me.
Hi guys, I'm Sana, this is Sarah, and we're the presidents of Acacia.
Thank you to everyone who participated in our Valentine's Day Treat Yourselves, and to those of you who came to the lock-in and other coloring session. It was a really great success.
So we have news. Acacia now has a blog, and the blog consists of our upcoming events, advice regarding time management, how to manage your stress, and more. You can also contact us and send us suggestions, questions, and of course request a peer advisor. If you would like to publish a blog post, don't be shy. Feel free to contact us.
Some of you guys already have peer advisors, but if you're interested in learning more about them or want to reach out to one yourself, our peer advisors are getting special pins on their backpacks. They're already in production, so you'll see them in about a week.
Our upcoming event is an acai bowl making flex, and if you don't know what an acai bowl is, it's basically a smoothie bowl with a whole bunch of really yummy toppings.
And the best part is, it's completely free, so make sure you sign up for the flex.
And this event is on March 19th, Flex Day Free. We hope to see you then.
Thanks.
Alright, thank you very much, Keisha. That was great. I surely want a free pin on my bag. Next, we're going to have Little Wings talking about their soccer competition called Little Foot. Hey, guys.
Okay, hey guys, I'm Rohan, and there's a few other people who were supposed to be here with me, but they couldn't make it. So I just want to talk about a few things that Little Wings have been doing. First of all, we've been working, if we could go to the next slide. Yeah, thanks. So guys, this is May. She's just come to Dubai from Gaza. She's Palestinian, and she just had her leg amputated because the bones in her leg break very frequently and very easily, so she's actually very happy to have had her leg amputated. And she is here because of the work that Dr. Sinclair of Little Wings has been doing, and she's coming to visit us this Thursday, and it's just really exciting. So yeah, and the next slide that I want to talk about is this football event that we have coming up. Yeah, one more. And it's so it's a soccer tournament. Teams can play five-a-side football. It's 100 per team, so 20 dirhams per player to enter. And of course, all the money goes towards Kids for Wish Kids, Little Wings. And the winner, thanks very much to the student, to the SGA, gets 25 spirit points. So you obviously each team has to be grade level. I've already gotten a lot of interest from Team Lachlan and Team Griffin. So we're really looking forward to seeing those two teams go head to head very soon. Okay, thanks. See you guys soon.
Alright guys, thank you very much, Roman. Next we're going to have another spirit point game, which this year is going to be a Kahoot. So if you guys were here at Mr. ASD, after the top 5, there was a Kahoot to determine who was the 6th player that gets in. So if you could all just pull out your phones and open Kahoot.it or the app if you have it.
So while you're doing that, I'm going to open up the Kahoot game. Just get ready, log in.
The winner is going to get 25 spirit points. So everybody sign up. The code is 7797527.
Alright, so sign up, guys. So as you can see, the names are random, but if you win, you have to come on stage and show us proof that that name on the screen is actually the name that you used. I'm cheating, guys. Alright, so we're at like 16, couple more hundred to go. Alright, so we'll give you guys another minute to sign up. Alright, so let's start.
Alright, we're going to start in 5. Alright, let's all figure this out.
Okay, so this is the part where we have to improvise something. One, Mr. Do your act again. Okay, I'm just kidding. Well, at least we can say we crashed Kahoot today. That's a plus.
You can put that on your college jobs.
Give us a moment.
Alright, could we get a couple volunteers from each grade real quick? Alright, let's have Solemn and I can't see you, but yeah, I come. I see you. Alright, and Eva and Isabel. And guys, let's make up 4 volunteers. Any more from here?
Any more junior volunteers?
Any more junior
I see
volunteers?
Joaquin, come on down. Who else? Rashad, come on down.
And then
from the freshmen. Hey, let's see if this works.
Let's just see what. Okay.
Alright, go back to it. Go back to it. Alright, everyone, stay on, stay on. Never mind, move on. Okay.
What is the opening line of the PA every Sunday? Who won the tug of war at UCC? And there were the sophomores. All right, Gold Dolphin in first place. Who were the most recent PA announcers of this week? All right, Kunal and Audie. Stellar Lion in first place. Who came second place? Mr. ASD. David Kendrick, Jack Keffer, Solomon, Abdullah Fude. All right, and the correct answer is Jack Keffer. Another line. What song did the winner of Mr. AC sing in the talent portion? Perfect by Ed Sheeran, Stay With Me, I'm Yours, or Apologize?
Perfect last year. Stellar line for the leader. What does the senior class officially refer to themselves? Incredibles, Vibes, Tribe, or Gladiators? And the answer is Tribe. Stellar Lion yet in the lead.
What was the theme of homecoming this year? Under the Sea, road trip, movie night, or a night on the town? All right, and the answer is a night on the town. Stellar Lion.
Stacy was following up though. Pretty close, if you ask me. How much did Cupid's cost this year?
20, 10, 15, 25.
Answers are coming in quickly.
The answer is 10.
Stacy was now in the lead.
So which class won the Durham Wars at Mr. ASD? All right, and we all know that the juniors won the Durham Award.
Space Eagle following Grateful Dolphins. How many people are in the SGA?
13, 11, or 14?
Competition's getting tight, guys. Answer with your best instincts.
And 13 is the right answer. 4 reps and 5 execs.
AC goes still in the lead.
Who is the longest reigning member of the SGA? Kunal, Zach, Megan, or Gary?
And the answer is Gary. AC goes still in the lead. Mighty Fox catching up. What was the theme of this year's SGA Halloween Haunted House?
Warp's Fairy Tales, Under the Sea, Sane Asylum, or Spooky Circus?
Spooky Circus.
Space Eagle? Who are the 2 SGA members on the varsity academic games team? Audie and Karan, Kunal and Audie, Karan and Kunal, or Zach and Gary? Karan and Kunal! Sorry. Swipe.
Slide. Alright, so last question. These are getting tense to last game. Just to pep all you guys up.
Just out of curiosity, who was it in first place? I actually don't believe it. Alright, we have 9 in first place right now. Alright, last question.
Last question. So, how long is each block of class during half day?
60, 56, 57, or 54 minutes? The answer is 54 minutes.
Let's see who the
So
winner
the
is.
winner is Just to confirm. Yes, I has one for you.
You get 25 spirit points. But remember, you can catch up in points all throughout the week. Next week was Spirit Week, where you have a spirit point competition every day during lunch.
And don't forget about Little Wings soccer tournament.
Alright, now let's shift focus.
Armies. Shift focus.
Before we get to that,
Yeah, before we get to that.
you're Mr. AC. Let's talk about your experience as Mr. AC. Let's talk about your competition. So, who was your toughest competition in Mr. AC? Was it Rashad? Was it Abdullah? Or was it Josh?
I was most worried about Solomon because he was the best, in my opinion. But Solomon and I have to talk about my seniors. We all worked really well together. It really wasn't a competition. We were all helping out with each other's acts, and we just wanted to put on a great show, and I think that's what we did.
Alright, the real question is, are you buying Megan's prom ticket?
Well, Megan is a strong, independent. I'm buying Megan's prom ticket, don't worry.
Alright. So, you're Mr. ASD. You're like the ASD himself. You plan on doing anything with the role that you have?
Well, kind of want to just be a role model to all my underclassmen here. I want to show them that senioritis may not be a joke, but you can overcome it. Maybe.
Alright, enough of my questions. Does the audience have any questions? We'll only be entertaining 3 questions. We have one from the front row.
What do you think of the juniors in this ASD? The juniors in this ASD? Abdullah was fantastic. As you guys know, he's a great piano player and he did a really great job, and I was really happy to be with him at the competition. Alright. Rashad and Alex are both great too, but he asked for Abdullah specifically. So.
Question from the freshman.
What are your opinions on Colin Sullivan and Josh Montero?
They're honestly my role models.
I mean, having the guts to do Mr. AC in freshman year is a big deal, so props to that.
Yeah, I did.
Any last question? See you here.
Are you Team Griff or Team Love?
Team Griff.
Alright, so that concludes our question portion for Mr. ASD. Well,
Questions are over, sorry.
this should be interesting.
Sorry.
I actually want to hear this.
Okay, I've heard a lot of questions in this JSC, but I have another question. Where's prom going to be this year?
Whoa! I don't know that, but I know someone does. Let's give it up for the prom committee!
Hi guys, my name is Samana. I'm the president of Prom Kids this year. Hi, I'm Eva and I'm the executive.
I'm Natalia, I'm the publicist. I'm Natasha, and I'm the treasurer, and we all work really hard to make this year's prom amazing.
So, before we begin, I want all the upperclassmen to check under the seats to find out what the theme of prom is. Does anyone have anything? No? Okay, maybe that this side. Oh, what is that? Okay, clearly the theme of prom this year is masquerade ball. Now about statistics, prom's gonna be a little early this year. It's gonna be on April 27th, from 8 p.m. to midnight.
And tickets are going to be on sale from April 15th until the 26th, and they won't be on sale at the door, so make sure to get your tickets in advance.
Okay, so the location, drum roll please. Waldorf Astoria on the pond.
So this year, we're going to have another raffle at prom, and the only thing you need to do to be entered in the raffle is buy a ticket, and if you buy a ticket during the first week, then your name goes in twice. And this year's raffle is going to be amazing because we are giving away 2 iPhone X's, Beats headphones, and a bunch of other items. So more details are going to be discussed in your junior and senior class meetings, the general guidelines, and the students' book.
you have any questions, feel free to contact any one of us. Yeah. Okay, so the invitations, these, I made them. They will be distributed on that, the lower floor, like those two exits. So make sure you pick up your invitations.
So juniors and seniors exit through this side and then sophomores and
Just
freshmen.
give us a second so we can get there.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hope to see you guys at prom.
All right, guys. Don't forget, next week is Spirit Week. Although the juniors won today's Spirit One competition, there's many, many more next week to come. And on that note, the assembly is going to be ending a bit early because we've held you guys back a couple times before. So the juniors are going to be dismissed first for winning. So everybody else, please remain seated.
You was